Hello, today we're going to talk about a different point of view in the Meterpreter attacks. So far, I've played with that on the offensive end of the spectrum by acting as red teamer and having fun with that. In this case, I'm going to act as a defender and I'm going to try to understand what a blue teamer can see after a Meterpreter attack. I already went ahead and exploited my Windows 7 virtual machine, so I already went through all the exploitation stages and I achieved the privilege escalation here. You see that I created the reverse handler, picked up the connection, and so on and so forth. On the defending end, on the victim machine, I redirected the netstat command output to file, and we notice a process that listens on port 4444 TCP corresponding to the IP address of Kali Linux. And this is a red flag already. The name of the file is pretty suspicious and raises a red flag, but it's a signed file, a workbench file, Apache file. Here I have two tools I found on the internet and gave them a shot, but they don't seem to find anything relevant. One is called anti-meter and the other one is called anti-pony. I scanned the system with both tools, but nothing suspicious was found. I decided to add a persistence parameter to the attack with exit on session files. I'm also installing Wireshark to monitor the traffic. I was hoping to decrypt the network traffic within the Meterpreter shell and the attacking machine, but I wasn't able to do so. Anyway, I have a Meterpreter session open. I re-exploited the machine here. And on Windows 7, I'm starting another network capture. You see that I have the TSL traffic on the other end. You'll notice I'm in as a user Georgia, and if we scan the list of processes with the ps command, we'll notice an executable called intruder2.exe, which is the file we used originally to hack into the Windows 7 machine. Now, as I migrated to another process, I am recreating an output file from the netstat abno command to analyze what I can look on the other end. Then here I made a mistake because I need to be administrator to run commands such as netstat. I need an elevated command prompt. And here I'm going again with the output file. Let's see what we have here. In this case, you'll only notice a process that was there before, intruder2.exe. That belongs to a different IP address because I had connectivity problems with my Kali machine and the old process was still hanging around. I should have killed it. That's a no-no. In fact, I'm now migrating to another process in order to get rid of that executable on the offensive end, but the operation seems to be pretty lengthy. On Wireshark, this is what the traffic looks like. If we follow the TCP stream, it's all encrypted. I will try and decrypt it by using several tools in another upcoming post. So far, I wasn't successful, and I couldn't decrypt it. You see that I was able to migrate to a different process. It's Microsoft Security Essentials, and as a matter of fact, it was stopped if we have a look at the security logs under Windows 7. Now I'm going to run the netstat command once more. You notice that now we have only the SVC host process, which is a very important Windows process. That's the process I migrated to. I tried to look further down the rabbit hole by using a process explorer, but I couldn't find anything. I also tried to upload this SVC host file to VirusTotal because it's often used to disguise malware, but VirusTotal didn't find anything, so that confirms that Meterpreter payloads are very stealthy and encrypted, not always easy to find. I also used other tools to dig deeper, but I wasn't very successful. At this point, I gave these two tools another go, and I ran both anti-pony and anti-meter. Anti-pony didn't find anything. However, anti-meter was able to find my Meterpreter payload in memory, as you'll see here, and I could kill it. By the way, when I killed it, my Meterpreter session died, which is no big deal because I established persistence. So that's all for this quick part. I'm gonna come up with other tutorials over the coming days, and probably with a series of tutorials about how to detect a Meterpreter attack. Have a good one. Bye bye.